If Photopea is giving you a timeout error, loading forever, or just refusing to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest fixes you can try right now to get Photopea loading again. These steps are simple, safe, and work for most browser-related issues, especially when the problem is caused by cached data, extensions, VPNs, or a slow connection. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, try a hard refresh. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces your browser to reload fresh script data instead of using an old broken version that may be causing the timeout. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix Photopea loading problems. If that doesn't work, open Photopea in an incognito or private browsing window. On most browsers, you can do this from the menu or by using the shortcut on your keyboard. This is a great test because Incognito Mode usually disables extensions automatically. If Photopea works in private mode, then the issue is probably one of your browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. At that point, you can disable extensions one by one in your normal browser until you find the one causing the problem. Next, clear the site data for Photopea. This is different from clearing everything in your browser, and it's a much safer first step. Click the site settings icon near the address bar, then look for the option to clear cookies and site data just for Photopea. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. This can fix corrupted session data, bad cache files, and loading loops that keep Photopea stuck on a timeout screen. If you're still having trouble, check your network connection, VPN, or Proxy. Some VPNs and network filters block the remote server request that Photopea needs to load properly. Turn off any active VPN or proxy and then refresh the page again. If you're on a work or school network, that network itself may also be filtering the service, so testing on a different connection, like mobile data, can help you confirm the issue. Another thing to keep in mind is that heavy tools inside Photopea can take longer to process. Features like content-aware fill, large PSD files, or complex layers can sometimes look like a timeout, when really the tool is just working hard in the background. If that happens, give it a little time, and try using smaller files or fewer layers to reduce the load. So to quickly recap, if Photopea is timing out or not loading, first hard refresh it, then test in incognito mode, clear Photopea's site data, and finally check your VPN or network settings. If heavy editing tools are the problem, try a lighter file or wait a bit longer for processing. These steps solve most Photopea timeout issues without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.